Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna make risotto with mushroom. I made it very simple, a process to follow up. Very simple ingredient. There is nothing particular or special about this dish. I'll show you all the ingredients here. Here we have some simple ingredient, and this is a fresh made stock with carrots, celery, onions and a pinch of salt. We are going to progress to put a pan on the fire, drop the butter in, a dash of olive oil or normal cooking oil to prevent the butter to burn, and we melt the butter. We add some finely chopped onions, just like so. We mix it up. Now it's time to add the rice. The rice is Carnaroli, but you can use as well an arborio or bialone nano rice. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go through a process of called toasting. So we're gonna toast the rice, which gives a bit of initial cooking, and the rice is ready for the next stage when the rice itself is looks transparent. Okay, we're gonna start to add now the stock, vegetable stock, a little bit per time. Please be aware the stock has to be warm, not cold, because otherwise the drop in temperature will make the rice mad. That's how it's called. It just, in essence, the rice is gonna break up. So you have to make sure that the rice is nearly boiling. Sorry, the stock has to be nearly boiling. And gently stirring. Some people use, I like to use the wooden spoon, just lightly, gently. I do have a bit of experience. Many people don't use it at all, they just move the pan. It's just a way of doing it. So as always, please stay until the end for the ingredient card, where you can see all the ingredients that I've used for this recipe. Obviously I have cut bits and pieces, because roughly the cooking time will be around 15 to 20 minutes to make this dish, but it is worth it. Usually some people add a dash of wine before they put the stock. I don't. I am a little bit of wine at the moment, and you don't have to put it if you don't drink wine. Okay. Flame has to be medium high. Keep always an eye for the liquid to not dry it too much. We add some more stock. There you go, perfecto. Now we added the mushroom that have been previously cooked. They were a leftover from the dinner before. I tend to recycle and upcycle the food, and it will help me leave my feeding habit during the week. But I've used the juice of the mushroom and calculated that is going to be the right amount of juice for the rice to take flavor from. One quick tip as well, we measure how much double cream we want to use, and we'll try to warm it up as much as we can, because we do not want the drop in temperature. Again, we have to keep the temperature steady. Gently, again, we give it a stir. There we go. We add the cream. We're nearly ready to the end of the cooking. We add another bit of butter. We add the Grana Padano cheese. When we make the base of the rice, we always keep some butter behind, about 15-20 grams. That is needed for the end of cooking, to do a process called mantecatura, which is bring all the rice together. And I do have to say, rice is my favorite dish. However, I never liked to cook it before because it is so many little steps. But then I got forced to do it, and it became my strongest point. Here we have a little taste. And there we have, we are ready to dish the rice. As you can see, the rice is ready. We'll dish it up like so. I'll pass it over to myself now. So guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. It'll encourage me to do more of this video. Touch of parsley. Grana Padano. And if you really want to be extreme, you can add some black truffle oil. It will give it that extra elevation, but you don't have to. Just a spoon. And you made it a little bit chic. And here we have the delicious risotto. And as I say, you have to try to believe it. I wish you could smell it. Let's have a look. Yes. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Enjoy.